How to turn off Meta AI on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll guide on how you can turn off Meta AI on Messenger. So first, you need to go on your Messenger icon. Then at the right hand side, you can see the menu. And at the top of menu, you can see the Meta AI logo. And at the top, you can see the Meta AI. You can simply long press on it and you can either archive, but you can not delete it permanently. So you can archive or delete it. Delete the entire conversation. But if you want to hide also the notifications from Meta AI, you can simply tap along over here and at the eye icon, click over there and simply mute it on. You will have an option over here to mute notification until I change it. So this is how you can turn off Meta AI on Messenger. So now for more videos, stay tuned and subscribe our channel for more videos.